If you want to check your X, also known as Twitter, timeline in chronological order on your PC, this quick tip will show you exactly how to do it. This is helpful if you want to see posts in the order they were published instead of the default algorithmic feed. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to follow accounts in real time. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X in your browser and go to your home feed. Once you're there, look at the top of the page. You'll see a tab labeled Following. This is the key setting for switching to chronological order. Just click Following and your timeline will update to show posts from accounts you follow in the order they were posted. No extra menus, no complicated settings, and no need to change anything else. If you ever want to go back to the regular feed, you can switch tabs again whenever you want. That's all there is to it. It's a fast and easy way to keep your X timeline organized the way you prefer. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tip like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.